Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, open your countdown. We have started a new unit, fractions, in previous week. Today we will practice again so we can understand more about fractions. Okay students? Page number 48. Question number 1. Color the correct fraction of each shape. As you can see, there is a fraction 2 by 6. 2 is numerator and 6 is denominator. So what does it mean? Total 6 parts. There are total parts 6. And how many are colored? 2. 1, 2. Yes, just like this. Part B. 3 by 4. Total 4 parts. We have to color 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Complete the rest of the parts. Okay students? Question number 2. They have given a colored picture. We have to write the fraction. How many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many colored? 2. 2 by 6. Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many colored? 5 parts. 5 by 8. Complete the rest of the parts. Okay student? Page number 49. Write fractions to match the words. Numerator is 5. Denominator is 7. 5 by 7. Denominator is 10. Numerator is 3. 3 by 10. Denominator is 8. Numerator is 5. 5 by 8. Now we have to tell that whether it's greater, smaller or equal to. Look, part A. 3 by 7 dash 6 by 7. There is a rule. If denominators are same, then we will look on numerators. The greater numerator, with greater numerator is always greater fraction. Listen it again. If denominators are same, then we will see the numerator. The greater fraction with greater numerator is a greater fraction. It means 6 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Next, 5 by 8 dash 3 by 6. First, look, denominators are not same. So, in this way, if denominators are not same, it means they are unlike. Unlike denominators or unlike fractions. These fractions are called unlike. They are not same. Then we will see the numerator. The less numerator fraction is the greater fraction. Look, I have write the greater sign. 3 by 6 is greater than 5 by 8. Part C. 5 by 8 dash 5 by 8. Denominators are same, numerators are same. So they are equal. 6 by 8 dash 6 by 7. First we have to look the denominators. They are not same. It means they are unlike fractions. They are unlike fractions. Then we will see the numerators. Numerators are same. So greater denominator with same numerator is greater than. 6 by 8 is greater than 6 by 7. Okay students, part B. Write in ascending order. What are the ascending order? Denominators are all same. It's very simple. Ascending order. Write in ascending order. 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7. Complete the rest of the parts. Question number 10. In descending order, denominators are same. First, the greater number, 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6. Complete the rest of the parts. Okay, students? Open page number 50. Write words in the blanks. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. In like fractions, the greater the numerator, the greater the fractional number. In pair of fraction 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, 3 by 7 is dash, then 2 by 7. Denominators are same. Then we see the numerator, the greater numerator with greater fraction. 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. In pair of fractions of 3 by 8 and 3 by 9, 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 9. Write fractions in the boxes. 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Denominators are same. 3 plus 4 is 7 by 10. 7 by 9 minus 3 by 9. Denominator is same. 9. 7 minus 3 is 4 by 9. 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9 plus 3 by 9. Denominator is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Question number 9. Very easy and very simple. Solve the following. A 1 by 8 of 48 tickets. It means we have to divide 48 by 1 by 8. Write down like this. We will recall the table. 8 6 are 48. 6 tickets. 1 by 6 of 2460 kilometer. 1 by 6 divided by 2460. The answer is, divide it. Yes, 410. We will divide it with that. 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2460. Complete the rest of the part. 1 divided by 10 divided by 120. It's mean 1 divided by 10 multiply by, it can be, we can change it, 120 by 1. 12 kg. Yes. Complete the rest of the part. Okay. Now come to page number 57. Fill in the blanks. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 9 by 10 are dash fractions. Denominators are same. So they are like fractions. 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 12 are dash fractions, unlike fractions. 30 by 20, 20 by 32 and 5 by 8 are dash fractions. By dividing into list form, they both are equal fractions. 3 by 5 is dashed and 5 by 6. Look, denominators are not same. So we will go with the less numerator. That will be the greater fraction. 2 by 11, 4 by 11, 6 by 11 and 8 by 11 are in which order? Look, these are in ascending order. Turn the next page. Page number 58. State whether the following are true or false. 3 by 11, 3 by 10, 3 by 9, 3 by 4 are in descending order. No, denominators are different. So, this is not true. The reduced form of 5 by 13 is 1 by 3. Yes, it's true. 3 by 5 is greater than 7 by 10. Yes, it's true. The common denominator of 5 by 6 and 3 by 4 will be 12. Yes, we will take the LCM of 6 and 4. Like fractions have the same denominators? True. Select the correct answers. Okay, students. The lowest form of 100 by 275 is, first of all, we will get the highest common factor of both these. Then we will divide. The highest common factor is 25. We have divided 100 by 25. The answer is 4. And 275 divided by 25, the answer is 11. 4 by 11 is the answer. 2 by 9, 1 by 4 and 7 by 12. Arrange in descending order. First of all, descending order. 7 by 12, 2 by 9, 1 by 4. This is the correct option. The reduced form of 128 divided by 336 is, cutting with the table of 2, the answer is 64 by 168. This option is best option, correct option. 15 by 64, 3 by 8 are equal fractions? No. Like fractions? No. Equivalent fractions? No. Unlike fractions? Yes, denominators are different. Unlike fractions have same denominators? No. One as a denominator? No. Different denominators? Yes, this option is correct. Circle question number 4. Circle the sets of like fractions. Same denominators. Look, I have done it all for you. With same denominators are sets of fractions. Question number 5, page number 59. Tell whether which pair of fractions are like and unlike. A. Like fractions. B. Like fractions. C. Unlike fractions. D. Like fractions. E. Unlike fractions. Denominators are different. F. Unlike fractions. Okay, students. Question number 6, 7 and 8 we will have to done on notebook. Okay, students. Question number 6. Open your notebooks. Unit number 3, fraction. Rewrite these fractions so that they have a common denominator. Part A, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Okay, students. Unit number 3, fractions. We will have to done question number 6, 7, 8 on the notebook. Question number 6. Rewrite these fractions so that they have a common denominator. First, what we have to do? First, we have to make a same denominator. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. They have different denominators. What we have to do is we have to get the same denominator. So, I have multiplied 2 by 4 and 4 by 2. The denominator will be 8. The same number which we have divide with denominator, we will divide with the numerator. Okay, students. 4 by 8 and 2 by 8. Same denominator like this. We have to done all these questions like this. Part C, 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. Look, first write solution, then question. First, we have to make the denominator same. 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12. I have made the denominator same. The number which we have multiplied with denominators, we will also multiply with the numerator. Same. 8 by 12 and 10 by 12. Complete the rest of the parts. We have to make the denominators same. Okay, students? Question number 7. We have to tell whether the statement or fraction is greater or less. First, we will equal the denominators. Part A. 2 by 7 dash 3 by 10. 7 into 10 is 70. 10 into 7 is 70. Denominators are same. Then we have multiplied the same number on the numerators. 20 by 70 dash 21 by 70. If Denominators are same. We will go with the numerator. The greater numerator is the greater fraction. Greater sign. Part C. 4 by 5 dash 3 by 8. 4 by 5 8s are 40. 8 5s are 40. First we will get the denominator same. Then we will get the answer. The greater numerator of a fraction is a greater fraction. Sign of greater. Complete the rest of the part. They are very simple and very easy, students. Write the following fractions in ascending order. First we have to find the common denominators. 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 9 by 20. 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20, 21s are 20. Denominators are same. Then we will write in the ascending order. 9 by 20, 14 by 20, 16 by 20. Okay, students, one more question for you. 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 3 by 8. 6 4s are 24, 6 4 6 are 24, 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Then 9 by 24, 18 by 24, 20 by 24. Okay, students, complete all the questions on your notebook. Question number 6, 7 and 8. Complete your work and practice it daily. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.